Namaskar, I am Shruti Singh. Today I start the file handling second lecture. Okay, the first lecture is related to the text file. Then these are some topics of methods of OS modules. It means operating system modules. Then very important absolute path and relative path. And last one is file object attributes. Now start. The first one is methods of OS module. It means this module name is OS. It means operating system. Then we learn about the method and function, predefined functions of OS module. Okay. Then this perform the file system related methods available. It means it is inbuilt in OS module. All the method and function is related to the file management. Okay. Because the file management is a task of operating system, that's why it is the method of OS module. We have to import OS module to use the function of related to the operating system. Okay, it means we have to import module. This is the OS. Then perform the different type of functions. Now start. The first function is rename. Rename, it means this method is used to change or rename the file that is already exist. Okay, this function is used to change the name. Okay, in which we are given the two arguments. The first argument is the current file name and second one is the new name. It means we can say we have to pass two arguments. First one is the old name and second one is the new name. The second method is remove. This method is used to delete the file. The first one is used to change the file and second one is used to remove the file. Then we have to first os dot remove, then file name, which file we want to delete. The third one is mkdir methods. It means this method is used to make or create directory in the current directory. It means we can say in the present working directory we can create the new directory. Then again os dot mk directory, it means mkdir. Then this is the name of new directory. This one. Okay. Then the condition is that this name is not already exist. If exists, then it will show the error. It means this directory is already exist. The next one is chdir. It means change directory. Okay. This function or method is used to change the present working directory. For example, if we are in C drive, then we want to change the drive, we want to perform the operation and create some files in D, then we have to change the directory with the help of this function. Next, get CWD. It means get current working directory. What is the full form? Get CWD. It means get current working directory. This method will return or display. This function will return the present working directory in which we are performing the operation. Then next one is the last one. The last one is RMDIR. This method of function is used to delete directory. Okay, if we want to delete directory, it means we want to delete the folder. In the general language, we can say directory. Directory means folder, and file means either text file, binary file, different types of files we have created. The folder means it is a container. Okay, then simple language, directory means folder, and file means text file, binary file, it will contain the data. Okay, if we want to delete directory, then we use RMDIR, because we want to delete. If we want to remove or delete the file, then just remove. Okay, these are the simple methods of OS module, operating system module, and related to the file system. Then the very important topic, absolute path and relative path. Absolute path means, what is the meaning of absolute path? Absolute path is the full path to some place on your computer. Okay, it means the absolute path means the complete address or path of a particular file in a computer system. Then what is the relative path? Relative path means the path to the some file with respect to the current working directory. It means, if in general language, in daily life, if I say what is the address of me, if I say the address of me is India, Assam, Silchar, Masimpur, and here. This is the complete path. If this complete path is address is known as absolute path. Then relative path, if someone is already in Silchar and asks me the address, then I will say in Masimpur. This is the relative path. It means in respect of someone, if we say something, this is called the relative path. If I say the complete address of me, this is called the absolute path. In the computer language, this one is the absolute path. It means if I say C user admin doc staff.txt, it means if I am say the address of staff text file, then if I say C user admin doc, this is the absolute path. If I am already in admin, then I ask what is the address on the path of staff.txt, then I will only say this one is the doc staff.txt. This is the relative path in respect of admin. Because I am already in admin, then I am searching the file staff.txt, then just say doc and staff. If I ask the absolute path, then I have to say C user admin. It means from the directory drive to particular file. In a general language, we can say a relation between absolute and relative path. The absolute path equals to PWD. It means present working directory plus relative path. This is the relation between absolute and relative path. This is the relation. Okay. This one. If I write os.chdr, it means we already discussed. This is the methods of operating system. This is the change directory. I change the present working directory. Now the present working directory is d12 doc, and then search os.path exist student.txt. It means this text file is already exist in doc, then return true, otherwise it will return false. The both line is used in a single line, that is d dot 12 dot doc student dot txt. In this, it is the absolute path. In this, it is the relative path, because we already in the present working directory is d12 doc, then this one. Okay, discuss about the program related to absolute path and relative path. This is the simple program. Then first we have to import OS, because we have to use the method related to the operating system. Then the first, this method is used to get the present working directory, whether already we are in folder or directory. Then this one is used to make a new directory or folder in the already exist in present working directory. The directory name is new directory 1. Then I change, the first we are perform the operation different directory, then I change the directory this one. Then next I print the present working directory. Okay, it means first I already print the present working directory, then create the new directory and change, then print. Okay, then this method is used to find the absolute path of a present working directory. Then print. Just check. This one. Now, the first one is we import OS, because we have to use the methods of this one. Then get current working directory. Then this one is the output. This is the absolute part of this one where we already performed. It means this is the CS folder. User CLP app data local program Python 38/32 CS, this one. Now we create the new folder. This is the make the directory. It will create the new directory. Then change the directory, because we are first we perform the operation on CS. Now I change, then print. What is the get CWD? It means it will found this one. Okay, it is changed. The before it is the present working directory CS. Now it is a new. Then we have to find the absolute path. This is the absolute path. Okay, this one is complete address of new folder. Okay, it is clear. Now come to this one is clear. Then this is file object attribute. This is the last topic. File object attribute. It means attribute means a feature of the particular object, and in this one, this is the object is file. These attributes will show the feature and the some attribute of file. The first one is closed. Because these are not a function, then we are not using the parenthesis, just write simple. The first one is closed. This attribute will show or return either the file is open or closed. If file is closed, then it will return true. If file is open mode, then it will return false. Okay. The next one is encoding. This attribute will use to define that this type of encoding is used to convert or store the data in a particular file, either text file, binary file, and CSV file. These are the different files. Then this attribute or feature is used to show the encoding type. The next one is mode. This is used or return what is the opening mode of a file. We already discussed there are the different types of mode in open function, either append, read, write, A plus, R plus. These are the different. Then it will return the mode of file. The next one is name. Because these are the feature attribute of file, obviously the name attribute will return the name of file. It is open. Next one is new lines. This attribute is used to return the /r/n. It means this is the new line. Different types of character that are used in the file. Then it is a very simple program. Then first we open a file. The file name is test.txt. Then the mode is A plus. Then we are using the different attributes. Okay, just check in a program also. This is the program. Then execute. This is the output. Then the first one is we open the file. File is open, then it will print false. Next one is mode, in which mode file is open. This is the A plus. New lines, because my file is created, it is not a new line and /n characters. Then this is the type of encoding CP1252. This is the operating system's encoding mode. And the last one is the file name f.name. It means the test.txt. Okay, this one is about the file object attributes. Okay, now these topics are done. Good day.